Welcome to the Divine Community. I am your energy healer, Betty. I'd like to take this time to thank each and every one of you for your support last year in 2020. This year, 2021, is going to be an amazing year for us all. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so now. And hit the bell icon for instant notifications on new videos posted regularly. Please check the description box below for information for donations, card information, private readings, website, and my email address. Your support is greatly appreciated. Thank you. Remember, you are beautiful, you are amazing, and let your inner light shine. Happy New Year's!